Hello, today we will see another application of non-destructive testing using microwaves. It is the detection of landmines using ground penetration radar. The lower part of the microwave frequency spectrum is used by ground penetration radar, GPR. According to the wording, it is intended to scan the ground and search for hidden parts in the soil. One special application is the detection of landmines. We will see two videos on this subject. The first one shows a combined metal and GPR landmine detector, which is used by the US Army. We will see soldiers using this instrument in the field. The second video shows such a landmine detector on GPR basis as a result of a research and development project. Already at this point, let me thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share this video. So, goodbye, see you next time. And now let's start with the first video.
The Handheld Standoff Mine Detection System, or HSTAMIDS, is the U.S. Army's dual-sensor handheld mine detector that combines an electromagnetic induction sensor and ground-penetrating radar to detect landmines. The addition of the GPR, an advanced algorithm, significantly reduces the detector's false alarm rate, thus reducing the operator's overall clutter investigations and increasing the operator's speed and effectiveness. Although HSTAMIDS is already a superb mine detector, our program strives to further enhance its capability to correctly distinguish mines from clutter. The development of improved mine detection algorithms and the integration of a multi-frequency electromagnetic induction sensor will improve the performance of HSTAMIDS. The newly integrated EMI sensor extrapolates a target's unique spectral response, similar to a fingerprint with relative immunity to magnetic soils or rocks. This additional level of discrimination, combined with improved algorithms, will improve upon the already outstanding capability of the system. Additionally, an onboard accelerometer is being added to provide real-time feedback to the operator on the proper search and detection techniques.
And now the second video.
This is a cheap landmine. It's what soldiers use in a war. When you hide these under the ground and step on them, you are dead. That's why I came here to Abu Dhabi to show you the strongest landmine detector in the world that will save thousands of lives. Just listen to this. See, nobody talks about it, but landmines are a huge problem. On average, 11 people died from landmines today. 4,000 people die every year in Egypt, Armenia, Colombia, Africa, Russia, India, and Pakistan. There are millions of landmines hidden in the ground, and nobody knows how to get them out. The metal detectors we all see in the movies, they don't work very well. They cannot detect plastic bombs. They need a human to hold it, and they think this coin is a landmine, but obviously it's not.
Actually, out of 1,000 objects they find with a metal detector in a minefield, only one is a landmine. Maybe.
In Abu Dhabi, a group of scientists came together from Colombia and Italy and France under the Technology Innovation Institute to invent a better solution. They created
X-ray for the ground.
It can detect landmines, plastic bombs, and wire bombs better than anything in the world. It sends an invisible wave from this antenna that goes underground, hits an object, and gets reflected back.
We create a device that can look into the ground and see if there is a landmine hidden.
And we can train it to intelligently understand the differences between several things that you will find there.
This machine is smart because it knows how a bomb looks like and how a rock looks like. So using AI, it can tell you where the landmines are exactly. And the best part is, it works by itself. It doesn't need a human on the ground.
You just need to look at the computer screen to find the landmine.
This is one of many inventions coming out of Abu Dhabi. They invited the best scientists in the world to invent technology that saves lives.
We have been working on this for more than 10 years with a collaboration with many institutions around the world.
Right now we're building this GPR in TII, which is a very cool place where you can work in very hot topics with very less bureaucracy.
I don't know about you, but I grew up next to landmines, and hundreds of millions of people did too. And we all hate them. That's why, with the right technology and the right people, we can save 10 humans from dying every single day in vain.